It finally happened. The gold price reached $3,000 per 1 ounce of gold. Look at this chart. The 1 ounce of gold today actually passed $3,000. Actually, the exact gold price was $3,500 per 1 ounce of gold. However, just to let you know, the gold price actually in many countries reached already long time ago $3,000, even $3,100 or even $3,300. Why? Because, well, if we take into account that the gold coins are sold for more than $3,000, then that means 1 ounce of gold based in gold, sold in gold coins, is more than 3,000, and is more than 3,000 actually. Well, you could buy a pure gold, but nobody want to. Well, the people will buy from you this gold eventually. However, the traded gold, the easily traded gold, is gold made of coins. Well, the coins made of gold, actually. So the gold already passed, let's say, in countries such as Poland, 13,000 Polish zlotys, which is translated to Polish golds, 13,000. And 13,000 at that day was actually $3,000, 250 dollars per 1 ounce, 3,200 or even 3,300. This is the case. The gold price already reached 3,000. Today it is just official data showing that the gold price has reached $3,000. So remember, not everything what they say in media is actually reality. Reality is that those charts shows the new gold, the official gold price. But as I said, if you go to the gold dealer and you want to buy the gold coin, he will tell you to pay much more than 3,000. This is the case. Sometimes not if he has a lot of gold coins that he want to sell. But like I said, in quite big country actually, called Poland, in Central Europe, in the European Union and NATO, the gold price already reached $3,300. It already happened. So this is not a big deal that the gold price today is 3,000. This is just like something that show you where the gold is going. So where the gold is going? Can gold cost $100 per 1 ounce? Well, it can, but that probably will take time. However, if we take into account the history and what happened in last decades, we can see that if the gold will proceed with the growing price against dollar, so the gold price from today in 20 years will be around, if we just make if we count simple formula, mathematical formula, we've got this 3,000 record today, 3,000 USD divided by, let's say, a price from of 2021, which was 250. It is actually 12 times more. You have to pay 12 times more for the gold coin than in 2001. So this is 1,200%, 1,200% per 1 ounce of gold more than in 2001. So just if we imagine that this formula, this 12 times multiple 3,000 will actually add up in next 20, 25 years, 21 years, 15 years, more over, I think 15 or 10 years. The new gold price in 20 years may be 36K per 1 ounce of gold. So one gold coin One gold coin, 1 ounce of gold coin will cost 40 grand. 40 grand. 40k, can you imagine? In 20 years, 25 years, 15 years, we have to remember that the production of dollar, production of money in last 20 years was actually astonishing. Low interest rate, quantitative easing, and more and more and more things that happened created a lot of money around the world. But there is the same quantity of gold around the world. We can dig, we can look for more gold, but there is not enough gold around the world. This is the truth. The truth is that today the 1 ounce of gold reached £3,000, $3,000, and this is the case. However, if you can ask yourself when the gold will be £5,000 dollars, or £5,000, or 5,000 Canadian dollars, or Australian dollars. Well, look at this. The gold against Australian dollar already reached 5,000 Canadian Australian dollars. It actually the record showed on this chart is 4,773. However, like I said, if you are buying a coin, gold coin, based in other countries, when you have to add up the spreads and the commission, so the gold coin already reached, let's say, in Poland. Let's say I'm showing this Poland case because this is a different currency than those main currencies, and you can see what really actually is happening around the world. When they tell you that the gold price is 3,000. USD dollar, that actually is a little bit lie, because if you go to Poland and you want to buy gold, the gold coin, you will have to sometimes pay 3,300, 3,500, and in the case of AUD, the Australian currency, we can see that already the Australian one coin in Poland already was for 5,500 Australian dollars, which is 5,500. And the same is with Canadian. Look at the Canadian dollar, pick 4,290. So it already reached, actually we can see 443 hundreds dollars, even a little bit more. So actually it was in Poland it was almost already 5k Canadian dollars for one coin. Gold coin, 1 ounce of gold coin cost in Poland actually already almost 5k Canadian currencies. Okay, so we are happy what is happening, and we're gonna see what will happen. But as we can see, this is not unusual that gold can cost 5,000. It cost 5,000 in Canadian dollar almost. It passed by almost 500 Australian dollars. 5,000. Gold is going up, but we have to ask ourselves: Is gold going actually strongly up? No, it is the same. The same as in last decades. It is not more, it is not less, it is the same. It's been happening for decades. In 1971, 1 ounce of gold was only $35. Today it is 3,000, or if we say in coins 3,300. In 1971, 1 ounce of gold was 15 pounds, British pounds. Today it is the highest was 2,400. Or if we count it in Polish zlotys, in Polish gold, buying one gold coin, then that means the gold in British pound actually gained 170 times against British pound. So the British pound lost 17,000 17,000% to gold. 17,000%. Can you imagine? 170 times of the price from 1971. This is what is happening. The gold is going up. The currencies are going down. And probably that will happen next year, and next year, and next year. There are corrections, but then the gold is going up. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Speak you soon.